Welcome, and let's talk about CRO. Now, what will be the worth of 5,000 CRO coins in 2023, before the end of 2023? Remember, as of December 7th, 2018, the price of CRO was actually trading at 1 cent. At the time of recording this video, CRO is currently trading at 80 cents. Now, as of last year, that was in November 24, 2021, CRO reached its all-time high of 96 cents. And now this coin have really went down and is now trading at 80 cents. Now, if you have 5,000 worth coins of CRO at the time of recording the video, that means you need an investment of $920. What is the worth of this $920 in 2023 or before the end of 2023? Now, according to statistics and according to all indicators, we have actually analyzed and predict the price of CRO to be worth below or above $1.50. We're expecting CRO to actually hit at least $1.50 before the end of 2023. And now, if CRO eventually hits this price of $1.50, remember, this token actually hit 96 cents as of 6 months ago. Now, if this token hits $1.50 within the next 1.5 years, it simply means your 5,000 coins of CRO will be worth about $7,574, including your initial investment. That is about 723% increase in price, and that is a good return on investment if you ask me. CRO still remains one of the best crypto coins at the moment. You can see CRO is currently ranked number 20 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision, and kindly invest money you can afford to lose. So once again, the worth of 5,000 CRO in 2023, we are expecting it to be worth about $7,574, which is a good amount, a good profit for anyone who invests in this currency. So once again, subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.